Economic growth and the development is the determinant of is the economic growth is the development. The economic is a factor, see the capital is a formation, is a economic is a system, see the economic is a policy. Structures of an economic share of agriculture, industry and service. Level of is a specialization, is a global factors and is a natural resources. The non-economic is a factors, is a socio-cultural factors, is a political is a factors, is a psychological factors, is a religious factors, is a demographic is a factors, and is a sex ratio, labor force, and is a capital formation, is a investment. It refers to the process of the increasing is the physical is the stock of the capital like the machinery, the equipment factors, etc. It is the most the importance the determinant of is the economic growth. It is the increase the productivity of the productivity, the productions as well as the future is the productive capabilities of an economy is the hadrol domal growth. Hadrol domal growth model. Harold Domel growth model. The growth economic growth is the investment divided by the ICOR in incremental capital output ratio. Means it measures the number of is a unit is a capital that are the required to produce the additional unit of the capital. The higher ICOR should lower efficiency. The years in the 1990 the ICOR is a 4.3 and 2000 is a 4.2. The 2010 is the 4.1. The paradox of is high saving is despite is a low income. The cultural factor, the lack of is a social service, the dowry system is a inequality, the rebate is tax rebate is a high interest rate is a diversified is a financial system. The stage of is a capital formation, saving disposable income minus consumption and is a finance. The mobilization of the saving in this household by the investment of is a the firms through the financial is a institutions, and investment is a expenditures on is a capital goods and is a saving. Gross domestic saving, the 32.3 of the GDP. The household 75% is a private. The corporate is a 20%, is the public sector is a 5%, is the income of is a company. Income of the company is a 10 lakh rupees. In that is the corporate tax. Corporate tax is the 2 lakhs, and is the undistributed is the 3 lakhs, and is the owners dividend is the 5 lakhs. Dividend is not a part of the profit which are the distributing among the shareholders. The investment, gross domestic capital formation is the GF, the 33.3% is the GDP. The private sector is the 85% in the public sectors is the 50%. Is the component of is the investment is a fixed in the investment. The valuable and is the example is a gold, silvers, and is a change in stocks. The in inventories and is the raw material. The unsold is the final goods. The determinant of is the investment is the interest rate high than investment is low. The profitable is the expectation, is a business, is the environment, ease of doing business, is a skill labor, tax rate is the infrastructure, is the demand, infrastructure and demand. Trend of investment, economic survey the 2018, the volume 1 is a chapter 3 is a road risk, is a saving economically growth and is a investment. The major threat of negative major the economic growth and is a investment, it will be the create its own the saving. The China economy is the existing the high growth and is a low inflation, and the saving and investment rate of the China is very high, the 40 to the 45% in number one. Investment, export are two pillars of China economy. Investment and the export are the two pillars of the Chinese economy. Underdeveloped country, the saving in the underdeveloped country, saving is increasing. The investment The increasing investment is increasing, saving increasing, then investment increasing, that is the growth is increasing. Demand decrease, that economic growth is decrease, not happen in the India and is underdeveloped country, led to the reduce the inflation, raise to reduce the inflation. The developed countries, the saving is more and demand not increasing, demand is not increasing, economic growth is decreasing, led to the recession, and the demand not decreasing, economic growth is not decreasing, not happen in the developed country. Huge population is a budgetary deficit, leading to the inflation is a huge productions is the potential is the paradox of is the traffic, and the vicious circle of is a poverty, vicious circle of poverty. The professor is a Ragnar is a nux. It is the circular is the constitutions of is the force is the tending to act of is a react upon the one another as to keep the poor country in the state of poverty. The before these are Keynes are the classical is a economic is a classical is a economics is the thought there is a employment is a cause due to the high wages. It is the ni- Nachiket More Committee is the financial is the inclusion is the payment banks, financial inclusion payment bank, the achieve the partial marginal partial miss. The scarcity of capital which lead to the low productivity which lead to the low incomes, and low income which lead to the low saving which lead to the low investment, and low investment is a lead to the scarcity of the capital, which is a vicious circle of the poverty. The Millennium Development Goal MDG, the 2000s to the 2015 UNO, the 8 goals and is 18 target is the general and specific. The 8 goals is generals and is the 18 target is a specific. 8 goal. The reducing poverty, the reduction of the poverty by the half in the 1990 to the 1950, the 2050, which is the first. The reduction of the hungers is the half the 1990 to the 2015. The universal primary education, and is the third is the reducing the gender gap is education and work. The fourth is the reduction the child mortality rate is the CMR and is IMR. The infant mortality rate is the reduction is the MMR is the maternal mortality rate is the 6. The reducing the diseases is the HIV and is the malaria, and is the 7 is the environmental is the sustainability, and the forest is the forest is the drinking water is the toilet is the partnership for the development. This 8. The international and domestic IT, this is the 8 goals. And the sustainable development goal UNO 2015 to 2020 2015 to the 2030. The title is the transforming our world is the 2030 agenda for the sustainable development is the 1922 to UN conference on the human environmental is originally conceived the Stockholm, the 17 goal and target is 169. The elaborate, the first is that is environment, the climate actions, life and lands, life belongs to waters and clean and affordable energy, drinking waters and the sanitations and sustainable cities and the communities. Number 2, the poverty and hunger is the reductions of inequality. Third is the new goals and dimensions is the economic is a decent work and is a economic growth is a responsible is a consumption and is a reproductions and is a industry innovation and is a infrastructure is a governance place, peace, justice and is a strong is the institutions, and the 14 the quality Quality education is the gender inequalities. uh, the 15 is the gender inequalities, and 16 is the partnership for the goals, and 17 is the health and well-beings approach in the participation of the private sectors like the NGO, PPP, increasing the role of the civil societies, the local bodies. The qualitative aspect have been is the increasing the absolute zero. The finding the target like the end poverty. Focus developing the countries to the global is approach is a beside on is the internal source of funding. Beside of the internal source of funding.